Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine. In today's video, I am sharing with you super stunning ideas of crochet runners, and WhatsApp number 034563000924 is given on screen for order purpose. So if you are from Pakistan, you can contact on this WhatsApp number and book your customized order of these beautiful crochet runners. You can see very attractive and gorgeous doily or coaster patterns are made and attached on these designs, which are looking very attractive and stunning. So different types of fabrics are used as runners, and just crochet doilies or coasters are placed, or crochet flowers are placed on them, which are looking very attractive and stunning and making them look more unique from regular macrame or crochet runner. So you can see this is a blend of handmade product with a swing runner, and these are super quick and easy to make as well. So if you know crochet work, you can also give them a try by making them by yourself at home, and these will take a lot of less time than a regular crochet runner, which will take more time to make because full handmade work is more difficult and time consuming to make. And these amazing runners are just having long fabric, and at the ends crochet embellishments are made using crochet flowers, crochet coasters, or crochet round doilies. And some of the pattern videos of these doilies and coasters are also available on my channel, so you can check them out and make these beautiful runners by yourself at home as well if you know crochet work. Otherwise, WhatsApp number which is given on screen 034563000924, you can order from them as well. So you can have beautiful runners on customization and any other crochet project as well. You can order baby products. Crochet baby frock sets are available. You can order crochet baby sweaters, ponchos are available, crochet baby hats are available, stylish braid hats are available. So all types of baby accessories and all other crochet accessories are available. So you can have all of them on customization according to your requirement, according to size, and according to color scheme, which will be given by the customer. So stay connected and share this video with other handmade products lovers in your circle. Thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this. So if you are new, press the red subscribe button, and after that press the bell icon and then all option as well, so that whenever I upload a new video, you can get notification of each and you won't miss any future update from this channel. So thank you. Bye.